कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Kanlong kesian kebening kong Bu Myntri wakmi ekatrat puli putih jong sarkar jela. Urakam esang ma unpa yu kerwa. Kitbok kitruang sigi kena school kiban saya khon ni examen secondary school living certificate. Barke examen higher secondary school living certificate kiban stang du ubnai leber raja husau. Lingba kilat pathai kubor urakam esang ma ula Kyntu yagi kena school bakin klat Shwa ke mobile shipor. Yakinu ki kam sngau bha Bat kham tam ke jing pen bernya ha ka mobile phone. Bat ban pelit jing mut Shwa tang ha ka kot. Namar ba kini ki artli ki examine ki de ki bekong santam ha ka jing em jongki.
The Meghalaya Board of School Education, the final examination Sslc and Hsslc will commence from 1st and 4th March 2024. So in this regard, I want to convey my best wishes to all my students, those going to appear for final exam in Sslc and Hsslc, both science, commerce and humanities. And I also wish my best wishes to all the parents and all the Meghalaya Board of School offices, and also would like to convey my small advice to my dear students. This is very important moment to all of them, and you must concentrate only in the exam and forget about the rest for next 1 month, 1.5 months. And this examination will change the entire journey of your life, and it's very crucial for each one of you. Therefore, I urge every student to perform well, to concentrate, and give less time to your mobile, give less time to other activities for next 20 or about 1 month time, and concentrate and do well, because your parents has invested a lot and waiting for the good result, and your institutions, the government also waiting for your good performance. And please bring proud of your institutions, of yourself, your community, and your parents also. Therefore, this is my because about 28,072 students will be appearing for Sslc examination, and 2,812 for science, 2,440 for commerce. Total 34,335 students will be appearing for Sslc, both science, commerce and the earth stream. And for Sslc, 55,189 students will be appearing for Sslc examination 2024. 108 center has been set up at both, and there are 159 center for Sslc examination across the state. I don't have any reply for that. I'm not much, but I don't think so. I mean, there will be any power cut during this exam time, and if it happens, so we will make sure that this doesn't happen. No, we are prepared. Our ambos officers are well prepared with all this. We'll be having the fullies. We have the officers. Will be flying squad. Supervising officer. We are taking all measures to make things happen smoothly.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.